Cyrus and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we are ready to do the CPU throttling test in the Poco X3 device after the Android 11 update. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use a Poco X3 smartphone, and just few days back I did receive the Android 11 update in this phone, and a lot of users are really interested to know about the performance and battery life as well. Those are the two things which a lot of users are really concerned. So that of making separate video friends, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. And right now I'm testing the battery backup of this Poco X3 as well, so that video will give you the clear idea of is the battery backup in this phone. And after the Android 11 update, I did not see much kind of difference in terms of the visual things. Nothing got changed much, only few things got changed. I'll try to make another video as well what are the things got changed, but one of those was performance. Slightly, I think it's got mixed feelings friends. Definitely let's see what about the CPU throttling, how much we can expect in this phone. That is what I'm going to check right now. But Android benchmark scores were kind of okay, I would say, definitely. But CPU throttling is another thing which we need to check, how much the phone can throttle, how much cannot. That is what I'm going to see right now. So during this time of testing, I'll be using the 120Hz refresh rate, and let me try to clear all the background applications. Everything is cleared, and the brightness I'm trying to select exactly close to 50%, 60% and 70% of brightness. As you can see friends, 70% brightness I'm trying to keep. Let me even disable the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi is disabled, everything is turned off. As you can see friends, let me to open the CPU throttling application. So here's the CPU throttling application, and I did add the CPU throttling application into the Game Turbo. So yes friends, I did add into the Game Turbo. Let me try to show you. As you can see, so the reason why I added into the Game Turbo is because, so when you're trying to play the games, only then you will be able to know whether the games are actually affecting or not performance. That is the reason why I thought of using the CPU throttling application as adding into the Game Turbo and testing the throttling test. So these are actual test will definitely give you the clear idea while gaming. So this is what you can experience in this Poco X3 device. Let me try to show you the options. So here the number of threads I'll try to increase to 50. So 50 threads I'm trying to increase, and 15 minutes of time I'll try to do the test continuously. So let me try to start the test friends right now. So it is a test has been started successfully, and let me try to check the temperatures right now. 34 degrees, 35, and my room temperature is pretty normal, 31 degrees. As you can see friends, completely there is no AC, there is no cooler, 31 degrees only, and phone temperature 35 degrees right now. On the back side you can see completely 35 degrees only. As you can see friends, complete 35 degrees everywhere, 35 degrees. So let's see how much the performance will be affected, and how much throttling we can expect, and how much temperatures also will be increased, and how much battery also will be draining. So just now it dropped to 94, so you can count as a 94 as a start as well, in case if you want to know. So this is a CPU throttling test which I'm trying to do when the battery percentage is close to 100%. As you can see friends, so when you're trying to do the CPU throttling test below 20% or 15%, that is another type of testing which I'll be definitely doing in case if you all are interested. And the maximum clock speed you can see 2.3 GHz maximum clock speed which you can get in this phone. And the temperatures, so this is not that accurate, 93 degrees it should not be there. So 35.4, it did not increase much. Same kind of temperature. So I can see the throttling little bit got down to 90%. So it's going down and went up to 80%, again came up, as you can see friends clearly. So this is for the first few minutes only. So let's see what will happen for the next few minutes. So that's going to be really very interesting test in terms of the CPU throttling results. So it's again going up and it's coming down. So this is the reason friends I did add wantedly the CPU throttling into the Game Turbo, so you know how the gaming experience is going to be there. So gaming experience, are you going to get the equal level performance or not continuously? That is what we will test in this continuous process. So again I will be back after a couple of minutes of time, so then we'll get to know the results as well. Oh my god, what is going on friends with the Poco X3? I'm not sure what is happening in this phone. So you can see going up and going down, coming up and going down, coming down. So 37 degrees right now it's increased, but you can see it's not that consistent. It's not all consistent friends. I'm not sure what is happening with this. Maybe after the Android 11 update this completely screwed the performance. I think so the throttling issues might be facing. As you can see friends, it's not good at all. So 38 degrees, that's not much high temperatures, but definitely. So this graph, seriously friends, it should not go like this up and down. It should be constantly going in the straight line, and again it can decline, but not going every second going up and coming down. So right now the battery decreased to 92%, as you can see here clearly, 92%. It did decrease. So make sure to comment below friends, what are your thoughts about this. As you can clearly see, after the Android 11 update, maybe this is what happened, I think so. So before I did not see like this, the graph constantly going up and down. I did not see before, but right now I'm saying I'm not sure. So again, I'll be back after a couple of minutes, then we can discuss about the graph again. As you can see friends, after 12 minutes exactly, this is the situation of this performance. So this is totally ridiculous, as you can see. So right now the battery is of 90%, so I'm not worried about the battery and the temperature, but you can see the graph, it's totally annoying friends. As you can see, 38 degrees right now. The back side is of 36 degrees, but not much. As you can clearly see during this time of testing. So let's see what will happen with the final scores, what is the maximum and minimum and the average. That is what I'll try to check, how much we can get actually in this smartphone. So right now the temperature max is only 37 degrees. So 38 degrees, so 38 degrees is the maximum recorded temperature in this POCO X3 device. So this is what we got to know in this device. So let's see friends, after some time how much is the temperature it can actually increase, and how about this kind of graph as well. That is what we'll get to know. So right now the CPU throttling test is about to complete friends. It's close to 15 minutes of time during this time. As you can clearly see, the graph is completely not good at all. So these are the few things which you need to remember before actually updating to the Android 11. So what happens is that with this kind of updates, the battery life and the performance will be definitely impacted friends, couple of times. That is the reason most of the MIUI users, they won't even update when they are comfortable with the current version. So if you are running the current version and if you are happy with the performance and the battery, so definitely try to be on the same version only. So that is what most of the people will be doing. And the CPU throttle up to 86%, as you can see friends clearly. Let me try to take the screenshot. I'll try to take a screenshot, and again I'll be come back maybe after a couple of days, and still I'm waiting for the MIUI 12.5 update in this phone. So maybe after getting MIUI 12.5 update, again I'll try to do the CPU throttling test. So then we can discuss what is happening in this POCO X3 device finally. So I'll try to do the speed test comparison between iQOO Z3 and POCO X3 phone as well friends. Or make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.